Hi everyone, this is a tutorial about how you can see what Our Saviors is streaming live on Facebook without necessarily having a Facebook account. We realize not everybody is on Facebook, so we want to make sure you are aware of the options that you have. Right now, I am on Our Saviors' website, oursaviourslc.org, and if I scroll to the bottom of the website, notice there is this Facebook button at the bottom. So I am going to click on that. And when I do, it brings me to the Our Saviors Facebook page. Notice I'm not logged in to any specific Facebook account. I am just able to see the page. Facebook is saying, see more of Our Saviors Lutheran Church ELCA on Facebook. And it's essentially trying to entice me to either log into an account or to create one. But I want you to know that you do not need to do that. The content on Our Saviors' Facebook page is open to the public, so you can see it without having your own Facebook account. So if you scroll through their page, you can see various photos that have been posted. As well as posts. You might get this pop-up. This is Facebook encouraging you to either log into an account or create one. Notice right here is the option to say not now. Again, you don't need to log in or create an account to view the content. So just click not now and they'll bring it back to that toolbar. But again, you don't need to log in, you don't need to create an account. You'll be able to see the live streaming when it happens, the posts, videos of past events, things like that. I am going to click on this post. So for instance, all of these Holy Week and Easter worships that are going to be on Facebook, you will be able to get to them by coming to the Facebook page without being logged into an account of your own. So again, the way to get here is you can start at the church website, scroll to the bottom, and click on this Facebook button. Or if it's easier for you, you can also go to facebook.com/Our Saviors Lutheran Church, and that will also bring you directly here, and you will be able to see the content without having a Facebook account. I hope this helps. Thanks.